On today's first look, we have lot number 734. This is a 1970 Plymouth HEMI Superbird. There's no disguising this car. The big wing, the nose. These HEMI cars have absolutely been breaking the bank. In January, set new records. We have the best selection of HEMIs coming to Las Vegas we've ever had. I don't mean just Las Vegas. I mean in Barrett-Jackson's history. We are honored to have this car. This car is very iconic in its high-impact EV2 Tor Red, one of 135. It's number 997 in the NASCAR 1970 Wing Car Homologation Program. It's powered by its matching numbers 426 HEMI V8 mated to a TorqueFlite 727 automatic transmission with the 8 3/4 rear end with 355 ratio sure grip rear axle. Under the hood, that massive HEMI, you have power disc brakes, power steering, the 7-blade fan, the max cooling package. It also has HEMI suspension with firm ride shocks as well as dual exhaust with chrome exhaust tips. It features the hood pins. It has the aero nose on it, unmistakable. The fender-mounted hood scoops, which on the race cars, these had holes here on the top of the fenders to let the air out. They're non-functional on the street cars, but the street cars are built very much so that they could go race these, and these cars did win on the track. This is the rear wing. Now, everybody thought that these were just for downforce, but what they did is having these huge uprights is they kept the cars straight. These were built for the super speedways, and they absolutely dominated. Inside, this car is optioned with a black high-grade trim, black vinyl seating with silver accents. The dash features factory tachometer, correct push-button AM radio, heater, defroster, 3-spoke steering wheel, Roadrunner center cap. It rides on 15-inch Rallye wheels with Goodyear Polyglas raised white tires. Includes a Weiss inspection report. As well, it has been recorded in the MMC Global Vehicle Registry. Awesome HEMI car. These cars are hard to find, especially documented, original motor, fully inspected by Dave Weiss. Best part, it's selling at no reserve at our Las Vegas 2022 auction, June 30th through July 2nd. If you missed the one in Scottsdale, this is opportunity knocking. See you in Vegas.